Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we are talking about Shiba Inu token because guys, we have some great announcements and some big news that will definitely do some price action and will change the future of Shiba Inu coin price, because right now we're trading at 76, which is kinda nice. We had a great day behind us, as you can see here on the chart, and we are looking for that rebound from the big decline. And we will talk about the future of Shiba Inu coin in today's video, as well as some price analysis a little bit later on in the video. So if you're a member of a Shiba Inu coin army, make sure to watch this video till the end, and also if you want to join Crypto Prodigy army, make sure to smash that subscribe button because guys, it's free. So thank you for all the support that I'm getting on my latest videos. I'll also continue to make the new price prediction videos every day, so stay tuned and also follow the news. So what's going on with Shiba Inu coin recently? Let's start with the video. Basically, we have some new liquidity pairs announced, which is kind of interesting. So I'll talk about it a little bit later on in the video, and let's start with the major news right here. So we have a Reddit post, and we actually had a similar Reddit post about Shiba Inu token basically a few days ago, as far as I remember, and it was about eToro starting the marketing push about Shiba Inu token. So you can see already their sponsored Facebook ads that are saying eToro with a market cap of over 11 million, this coin is clearly more than a meme. The Shiba Inu, and we can see them more, but they are definitely advertising Shiba available on eToro. Guys, when it gets official, we will have such a great increase in volume because, as you probably know, eToro is one of the biggest, if not even top 10, the biggest exchanges for cryptocurrencies, and I'm so excited to see them listing Shiba Inu coin because, as you're following my channel, you know that I'm a big supporter of a Shiba coin project. So these are some great news, which is also interesting because if this happens and if Coinbase listing happens, and you know that some of the major holders and some of the big firms and hedge funds actually have their accounts on Coinbase, that means together with eToro we could gain some great volume. As you can see right now, we are on a half a billion right now, but we were on almost 1 billion 2 days ago. So definitely with some new listings, we will see some new sharks and investors going on to Shiba Inu coin, and maybe we could see a kill of the first zero. So let's continue with the news. Here we have one more Reddit post, and this is kind of interesting to see. As you can see here, from the June 10th to August 10th, from basically 500k to 600k we reached in only 2 months. So we have 100k more holders, which is amazing, guys. So you can see right here the number of holders spiked up, and this is crazy. So this is some great news for the price action and for the future of Shiba Inu coin price, and I'm so happy to share this news with you guys. Also, you can see the several articles are writing about Shiba Inu coin, and this is great for the publicity of Shiba Inu coin. And I'm so happy to see some articles such as Desert News and Yahoo Finance writing about Shiba Inu coin. This is great, and this is basically a free marketing. As you can see right here on FX Leaders, we have an article 14 hours ago. Shiba Inu finally turns bullish on coin burn, breaking above the triangle. And that's true. We actually had some nice coin burn going on for the past couple of days, and we have this bullish push finally after basically 2 months of, or actually I'm not gonna exaggerate that much, but after 1 month of waiting, we finally have some bullish push. As you can see here, certain cryptocurrencies were looking increasingly bearish after the crypto market crash in May. Cryptocurrencies are all a bit strange in one way or another, but certain cryptos are even stranger, such as meme coins like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coin. So you can see the analysis here by FX leaders. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, wasn't showing any signs of life whatsoever. We didn't see any bounce in this cryptocurrency, and that's the truth, and I'll talk about it a little bit later on in the video. But the situation might have changed here as well, with the crypto market continuing to push higher, thus pulling the stranger digital coins up with it. And that's the truth. We are actually following a Bitcoin for a long time right now. You can see, if you click here on the 1-month chart on CoinMarketCap, that basically we were doing sideways so much, and that's a problem I have been talking about in basically couple of previous videos, that we actually need much bigger burn. Problem is, and I'll be maximum realistic here, as you know, I really care about my community and I'm not gonna hype something that is doing something bad. The problem with Shiba Inu token is that circulating supply is extremely big, and this is why we were going sideways for so long. But right now you can see something going on here. So we had a great pump right here 2 days ago, and we are slowly but surely declining from that pump. As you can see here on the 7-day chart, we were struggling to find support line from here, and this is probably looking forward as one more decline in the price. So if you're a day trader and ask me, because of course I'll make a price prediction, if you're a day trader and ask me, should I buy Shiba Inu coin right now, I would say definitely not, because we will go way lower in a couple of days, and that's totally normal, and decline always happen after the big pump. But if you're looking this as a long-term project and a long-term holder, then you should definitely consider buying Shiba Inu coin, because you never know when the big news are going to occur. So on 1-day chart right here, we started the day at the 73, and we had our first dip right here at 8 a.m. So after that, we actually had some support line kind of right here, and it looks like we were going to rebound today, but we were kind of declined right here at the 2 p.m. and we were going sideways for the rest of the day, so we couldn't continue that growth, which is kind of unfortunate, but we were going slowly down, and this is probably how we're going to trade to the rest of the day. We were probably going to that decline and go to that 72 level, probably, if something big doesn't happen in between. So what's more interesting here is the drop of volume. As you know, the big pump happened and we almost went to 1 billion in 24-hour volume, but right now we are on 500 million right now, which is kind of okay. After all of the big pumps, volume always drops, so this is not too alarming, I would say. So it's kind of okay for this coin to have 500 million in volume. If we could stick to that, that would be awesome for the future of Shiba Inu coin. What's also great is that we don't have such a massive sell-offs on the graph. Okay, few big sharks right in there, but nothing too dramatic. As you can see, we are still holding on, and after each burn, the new support level forms, and it means probably that we will not go to the all-time lowest. I'm pretty sure. So about it, definitely we should check on the markets and how are they performing right now. As you see, volume wise, Binance is first with 140 million, L-Bank is doing 47 million, and this is why we have such a big amount of listings lately, because let's be realistic here, these exchanges are making money based on the volume. So for example, Binance is doing, for example, 0.5% or 1% on the margin, and when they have 140 million of daily trading volume, this is some great money they are making. So this is why such amazing amount of cryptocurrency exchanges are accepting Shiba Inu coin. And you can see volume wise that definitely right here Binance is first, L-Bank is second, Hotbit is doing great job with 40 million, Huobi is doing 37, and I wanted to check, shibaswap is doing right now 7 million, which is kind of okay, but we are still looking forward to a bigger and bigger numbers on shibaswap, because this is the true amount of its holders and some of the most loyal community going on. So this is what's going on currently with Shiba Inu token. As I said, I want to be maximum realistic. We will probably see some decline in the price in the following days unless some big news happen, or maybe some of the new burns. So that would be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below your opinion about the market today. I'm really looking forward to your comments. With that said, thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed and continue to follow my channel, since I'm posting daily news about your favorite tokens and I'm basically a news deliverer for your favorite tokens. So with that said, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.